The solar industry is expanding rapidly, but one critical part of the operation is still underestimated: professional cleaning and maintenance. Poor cleaning practices lead to efficiency losses, long-term panel damage, and significant financial impact. In many cases, the difference between profit and loss comes down to how well a system is maintained. Despite this, there is still no global standard for solar panel cleaning. Most companies rely on trial and error instead of structured knowledge. That's why we created the Solar Cleaning Academy, a structured international training program designed specifically for solar cleaning and O&M professionals. This course is designed for cleaning companies, solar O&M teams, technicians, and entrepreneurs who want to enter or scale in the solar maintenance industry. Whether you are starting from zero or already working in the field, this program gives you a clear path forward. The Academy is structured in 3 levels. Level 1, Technical Foundations. You will understand photovoltaic systems, types of contamination, and core safety principles. Level 2, Professional Cleaning Operations. You will learn real workflows, water treatment systems, chemical applications, and performance optimization. Level 3, Advanced and Utility Scale, focused on robotics, large-scale operations, and asset protection strategies. This is not a basic course. We go deep into physics, chemistry, operational strategy, and real-world decision-making. The kind of knowledge required to work professionally in the industry. Unlike generic online courses, this program is built on real field experience, scientific research, and industry partnerships. It reflects how the work is actually done on site, not just theory. By the end of this training, you will be able to operate more efficiently, reduce risk, and deliver measurable value to any solar asset. By the end of this training, you will be able to operate more efficiently, reduce risk, and deliver measurable value to any solar asset. If you're serious about working in the solar industry, this is where you start. Start immediately by clicking the link below.